Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix CapCut not working. If your CapCut is not opening or is opening up but is not showing anything on the CapCut, in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix that problem because I've been having some problem like that and I've been able to fix mine and I'm now able to use my CapCut. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to guide you how to fix that. If this is the first time of you coming across this channel, please do it to subscribe. Let's dive right into the video. First thing you need to do is to go to Play Store and update your CapCut. If you are using iPhone, you can go to your App Store and search for CapCut and update your CapCut. Okay. After doing that, the next step you need to take is to go to your settings. Your settings. Okay. Where is the settings? Your phone settings, scroll gently till it gets to app management. For some phones, you are going to apps. Okay. Then app. So it's going to be showing the list of app on your device. All you need to do next is to scroll down gently till it gets to CapCut. Here you are going to be clicking on storage and cache. And you are going to be clearing the cache of your CapCut. Okay. Once you're done doing that, you need to go back and click on permissions. You can see that the second option. Click on permissions and allow every other thing here. Allow them. Okay. Also allow the camera and others. Yes. Then after that, you are going to first stop the app. You can see that at the bottom of the screen here. On the CapCut page, you are going to see force stop. So force stop the app. So once you have done that, you can go ahead and try opening your CapCut again. I'm sure that is going to fix your problem. So we have come to the very end of this video. Please wait to subscribe to this channel. Tell me in the comment section if you are finding anything difficult on CapCut. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.